Hello, ladies and gents, welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. And today I have this spalted silver birch. I've had this for a year now, and it was spalted like this when I've got it. I'm gonna see if I can get a good finish on this wood, because normally people would stabilize it, but I don't have stabilizing kit. Plus it's a bit big, 11 inches diameter here, so we'll see if I can get a good finish on it. And it would be you guys can see if spalted wood this far, if it's turnable, if it's good for turning or not. But be careful when you turn spalted wood. So I'm going to be wearing a respirator myself, and I'll have the air filter on as well. This stuff you don't want to breathe in. Basically wood fungus, the natural way of tree decomposing in wilderness. So you shouldn't really breathe in any dust particle, especially spalting dust. So let's get started. I've already got my faceplate on, and I'm going, because this is very punky, we'll get this round quickly. There's no need to cut it up. Okay, I finished sanding it. It's nice and smooth. I'm surprised it turned out this smooth. such a lovely spalting on it, and on the end grain there's even more. You'll see it later on. But let's put some Yorkshire grit on it. See how it looks with the Yorkshire grit. Oh yeah. Okay. By the way, some people have emailed me asking why do I make my balls, why do I have a recess on the balls? I mean, I could have a tenon, and after I'm done with the inside I can turn away the tenon. But you gotta think about the future, you know. If I don't put a recess on, let's say 10 years, someone else owns it and they take it to another turner to refurbish it. If there's no tenon and the thickness is not much to make not a tenon, then there's no way of refurbishing the inside. You could do the outside without tenon, like have it on a pin jaws, you know, holding the sides, but you never be able to clean up the inside other than sanding by hand. So this way anyone can do it as long as it doesn't go out of true, and even if it goes out of true, someone can put it in between center and turn away the untrueness of the recess and use it again. So think about these things when you turn and decide if you agree and do the same. Otherwise it's up to you, you know. Make a tenon, turn away. You've done your turning, you know. You don't have to think about down the line in the future, but I think personally it's good to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna apply Hampshire sheen once this dries, and then we'll start the hollowing. Okay, I'm going to sand this now and I'll be back. Little bit disappointed here where the pith was. It chipped away, but it's nothing I can do. Very brittle, and it being where the pith was around about here, I would guess it's gonna be more unstable. Anyway, I'll get this sanded and I'll be back. Well, there we go, guys. All done, and I just finished buffing it. Such a lovely wood. I'm so pleased with how it turned out, and I managed to get some kind of a light shine on it. Very hard to get decent shine on these sort of at this stage of spalted wood, but as you can see, there's still, I've managed to sand it enough to get this sort of finish on it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you to give this sort of wood a try. You don't always have to have stabilizing kits to do these sort of things. Sometimes you might think it's beyond turning, but you won't know until you give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and I wish you all happy holidays. It's getting close, and I'm not sure if I'll be doing a video on the day or before, so I'm gonna say Merry Christmas now, and I hope you guys have a lovely time. Thank you for watching, and take care everyone. Bye. Well, there we have it, guys. Just finished buffing it. Such a lovely wood. I managed to get some kind of a shine on it. I don't know if you can see, but it's very hard on this sort of wood. But if you do enough sanding and get it nice and smooth, your finishing gonna be much better. From the start it looked like it's spalted beyond, turning, but look at that. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for all your supports. Those of you who regularly watch my videos, I appreciate it. I might not be doing a video before Christmas, so I'm gonna say Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you have a lovely time. Be kind to one another. can't get over the fact that how beautiful this wood is. Anyway, take care everyone.